Kasi pagkulay violet, pagkulay violet, big-win yun.
Yes.
Sabi,
All Filipino. Ako nakatuhan. All Filipino.
pag nakaupo ka sa room, pag nakaupo yung yung big-win, tapos nakaupo ka sa room, ano yun, 600 to 800 kayo na mapupunta. Kasi ako, yung big-win. Ay, mag-a-up ba? Dito na lang pala rin. Babae ata mag-a-up eh.
Kaya nga, dalawa tayo nag-gusto. Broken heart yun, ha? Tingnan mo, oh. Okay, I ask you. Request, heart mason. Mami, off cam. Off. Mic ko lang po yung mic ko, ma'am, ha? Sige, sige lang. Welcome. Salamat po.
Hi.
Welcome, heart mason.
Hi, my heart. Good morning.
Good morning, mason. Heart mason.
I miss you.
Hello, sister.
I miss you so much, but you not remember me. I will kick you.
Yan yung may business. Niloloko ko, papasok ako ng tindera.
Why you forget me?
I'm still working. I need to earn income for my kids.
Oh, I am waiting for you, but you not coming.
I'm tasking in another life.
Okay, my heart. No problem. Mahi, you are left so cute.
Sabihin mo, magbigay siya. Tawang-tawang sila. Bolero.
China,
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
No, you my heart.
Hello, Dinas. Welcome. Ano yan, Ate Joy? Ano yan? Putol-putol yung boses. Ate Joy, I asked Ate Joy why her voice is cut. Oh, yeah.
Mahi,
Hello,
Mahi, you down. I am coming. You down.
Kaya nga, tanong ko, ba't putol-putol yung boses nila?
si Ate Lynn ba to?
No!
Hindi, isang Len. Nagpalit nga si Ate Lynn ng pangalan kasi Lynn at saka Len. Siyempre, pag tunatawag ko si Ate Lynn, sumasagot si Ate Len. Dami kasi. Art Masakam, how are you? Hello, Inda, saya.
Umi! Imong mic
Babae
down.
din pala to.
I asked what boy has get level 1. But I don't understand, yeah. China?
Yes?
Ayan, China ka na naman.
Understand
Oo, yan na.
level.
Sinay na China naman niya ako.
Mahi, you come here.
You don't understand. Okay po daw yung mic mo. There's someone talking to her. So, she off her mic. Ano naman tayo sa English Carabao?
How many is your name?
Ay, nalaglag mo na pala kanina, ano?
Oo, kanina lang. Hindi pa nakapasok yun eh. Wala na siya.
Ay, transfer